From our beginning, we have been reimagining and building the future of responsible apparel manufacturing. And over the years, we've achieved many great milestones along the way. Now, it's time for the next chapter in our story. We brought experts from different areas of our business to develop our Next Generation ESG strategy and help push us to new heights. Over the next few years, we'll be taking our transparency and disclosure to the next level. Because transparency is the first step to accountability. The next phase of our program will focus on 4 elements to help us reach our next goals. Let's take a look at some of these new targets, shall we? By 2025, we will source 100% sustainable cotton. By 2026, we aim to give around 1% of our pre-tax earnings to communities around the world. By 2027, we're aiming to achieve gender parity in director level and above positions. We'll also be sourcing 30% recycled polyester or alternative fiber and/or yarns, and using 75% recycled and sustainable packaging and trims. And by that time, we will also have zero manufacturing waste sent to landfills. By 2028, we aspire for all our factories to be ISO 45001 certified, one of the world's strongest health and safety standards. And we'll finish 2030 strong by reducing our water intensity per kilogram produced by 20% and paving the way towards a low carbon footprint in line with the Science Based Targets initiative. Walking the walk since the early 2000s and beyond.